Oh yeah, we're recording now. Fixing to take a helicopter tour. What's going on that helicopter right there? Mama's coming with. We're fixing to take off here in just a second. That dude just got off. He looks pretty excited. Was that fun? Nice. You can sit up front, Mama. Done deal. All right, climb in.
Can I sit in the back with you?
You can. If you don't sit in the front, I'll sit in the front. All right. Y'all don't have a weight limit for the front? The last tour I was on, there was like anybody over 225 can't sit in the front. I'm like, well, I'm half past fat. I won't be able to make it. Well, then shoot, I'll get in the front. Mama trying to get on. Give her a hand. She might need it. Woohoo! Fixing to take off. What's your name, bud?
Chester.
Chester. Josh. And
Derek.
Derek. Done deal.
Oh. Let it go real quick.
All right.
Wrap it around there.
Good deal. Huh? Oh yeah, doing all right. No, this one's good. Take some pictures with that camera. Yeehaw! Oh, I got a headset too. Good deal.
You may get a picture of y'all?
Say again?
You may get a picture of y'all in here?
Yeah, do it. I'm just filming.
Ready?
Oh yeah. Yeehaw! That's what I'm talking about right there.
Oh, you got it on video. Keep it on video.
Is that AM, FM radio you got going on in here? Awesome deal. That's the way to do it, man. Hey.
Buddy. All right.
Where's that at? There we go.
Oh, y'all ready?
Oh, ready as can be, man. I'll tell you what. Mama, you doing all right back there? Good deal. So how much experience you got flying this thing? Okay, good deal. That'll make for an exciting ride. Yeah! If I get too loud for you, let me know. Nice. Were you working for the tour company before you started flying?
Yeah.
Good deal. How much to go to school there? How much to go to school there? Nice. How many hours? Good. Hey man, what's the thing for? Hello? How you doing back there, Mama? You having fun? Awesome deal. How fast are we going? Look at my flag shaking in. I've always been fascinated with helicopters. I've never really been fascinated with airplanes. Exactly. They go straight past and that's it. How high are we? 400 feet. Mama, you got this how you die in the yeah, there you go. Don't think you fell off. Don't do that. Got the video camera recording. Hope it doesn't set off on me. I don't know how much space I got in this thing. Yeah. Man, I took a helicopter tour in Tennessee. We were flying over the Rockies, and we were going through, we were flying above them and kind of flying through the valley. He goes, okay, we can either say this is the part of the tour where we can stay where we're at, or we can do some low altitude flying. And there's a couple guys in there, and they're like, let's go do some low altitude flying. He goes, okay. So he takes that helicopter, turns it on its side, and dives down. Without the other Just do a 360 before we touch ground. What's with your boss? Someone standing out there? Whoa, that's it. We're done with this.